Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Rocket Money to cancel subscriptions tied to cards step by step clearly. Start by opening the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Rocket Money. Locate the Rocket Money app from the search results. Tap on the app to open its page. Next, click on the Install or Get button to download the app. Once the download is complete, open the Rocket Money app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password or log in using your existing credentials. After logging in, grant necessary permissions for the app to access your financial information. The app will now scan your linked accounts and subscriptions. Look for the subscriptions section in the app dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions tied to your cards. Review each subscription to identify which ones you wish to cancel. Select the subscription you want to cancel for more details. Tap on the Cancel Subscription button. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the cancellation of the subscription. You will receive a confirmation message once the cancellation is successful. Repeat the process for any other subscriptions you wish to cancel. Once done, exit the app and check back later to ensure all cancellations have been processed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.